Hiya, it's Adam here from AM Web Design and Digital Marketing, generating more leads, more clients and more profits for your business online. Okay, what I'm going to be doing in this video, the other day I made a video about creating landing pages. However, it dragged on with me talking for about 25 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you in this one how to make a landing page really fast, quickly. Okay, it's dead easy. It can be applied to any sort of business whatsoever. So I'll show you through the landing pages that I've got. And if you think each of these landing pages probably takes, for me, anywhere 10-15 minutes, if that. So I've got a landing page here. This is the pop-up that's active at the moment. How to become a six-figure earner as a side income. So you've got the landing page here. People submit their details and they go straight through to the affiliate training. So this one links through to super affiliate training. So this is like a ClickBank affiliate landing page, so I can capture the details before John Crestani starts upselling them and doing his business. So it's perfect for affiliate marketers. This one here is a video sales letter.
You stick around until the end of this.
That's all taken care of. Again, they just click through and finish the video and it automatically takes them through to the next page. On this one, this is a product download page, so it's a bit bigger, showing them what they get, and then it comes down and they click, yep, I want that, so off they go and buy that. This one here is for selling conservatories. This was designed specifically for someone putting Google ads out and they come across and they can buy the conservatory off here. So it's got countdown timers on it, limited, get 30% off, just to take action, gets people's details captured, you know, before and after shots, testimonials, because this is more for real life businesses, and this generates tons and tons of traffic for this company. Okay, so just 4 examples of landing pages within mine. So I'm going to quickly go through and show you how easy these are to do. Literally, I use what's called ClickFunnels. So I'll put the link underneath. It will be an affiliate link. So it's ClickFunnels. It's run by a bloke called Russell Brunson, and it's absolutely brilliant. I don't use it. I don't sell anything on the front end. I just use this for generating landing pages and sending people through. So landing pages and bridge pages. Okay. So literally, I've got loads of different funnels and different bits and pieces on here. So to create a page, once you've signed up, okay, you go in, just submit your details. That's it really. Go through a little bit of basic training to follow, which is dead easy, and you'll just get to this page, which is under ClickFunnels and then Funnels, and you click on there and it'll open up all your funnels for you. Okay, click on Add New, and you've got the cookbook builder or you've got the classic funnel builder. I like the cookbook, and you'll just go Start Cookbook, and it works. Come on. There you go. You can download a free PDF copy of this book here. It shows you how all the funnels are broken down, what they can be used for. And you have a choice on the side here. So if we went professional services, and it gives you here whether you want a lead magnet funnel, bridge funnel, which I was just talking about, squeeze pages, live demonstrations, surveys, so you can get people answering questions, a homepage funnel, all these different bits and pieces here, application funnel. Here you go, select. Russell will quickly go through, explain how the funnel works. You know, it's designed for leads, it's got 3 pages in it. It takes about 45 minutes to set up. It's not, once you're used to it, it's quicker than that. You can choose from all these different styles. You'll see, like this one here, Luminos. If I go into that one, this was built with the back of Luminos. You can see the yellow there. And then I've just come in and adjusted the colours and the bits and pieces. You'll see other ones there. As you go through all my pages, you'll see different styles of what's there. Crestani, that one there, was built on Breeze. So you just click on it. That'll give you a basic styling. Or you can come down here and purchase an actual funnel that's already designed and built with content in it, depending what you want to do if it suits you. Okay. You'll then click, yep, okay, I want that one. Give it a moment, and then that will appear in here. As you can see, I've got Bridge funnel just to show you that's the one I'm going to use. So all you'll do once it's appeared within your funnels, click into it, okay, and you'll get bits and pieces like this turn up. You'll have the template in here, which is, I don't know if it's on there now because I've come out of it. No, but that was the Breeze one. That's this template here. So once you click into it, it'll open up and you just click edit page. It will load up the editor and then you literally just go in and start changing the details. So how to earn a fantastic. So you go in, change it. If you want to change styles, just click on the things. You get all your color choices there, types of font that you want, the opacity if you want it see-through, the size that you want, and you just click in and adjust. So you might be thinking, right, okay, so I've clicked in, I've adjusted, I want something new on. As you can see, as you scroll around the screen, you get different choices. You've got green, which is for a large section, blue, which is for a column, and then orange is for your actual little tiny sections within it. So if I wanted to add a button onto here, add new element, opens up, and I can just choose what I want. I'm going to put a video in. I click on the video. I don't want to do a custom embed. I'm going to do a YouTube video. I'm going to go and grab a YouTube URL, paste that, and that's it. So when this page is now live, sometimes it takes a few seconds, but this will be live in a moment, so I'll show you it. That's it. You'll have that video then play. You can mess on with settings. If you go, I want a button underneath there, or an audio player if you're doing podcasting. Just drag and drop if you prefer drag and drop method. Click in, and you can tell it what to do when someone clicks it. So if someone clicks that, it will send them to whatever website you send them to and submit you the details there. Okay, if you don't want it, just get off, hover over it. You got the little bin icon. Okay, we'll remove that. So I'll just have a look now because hopefully this one will be here. There you go. So that's the video I just put in. Play.
Accepting. I haven't been doing enough of this.
And that's it. You can have your pop-up, which if you see here, pop-up, click. You can come in, style this exactly the same. If you want to edit the pop-up settings, you can have it show when the user tries to exit or don't show. You can choose how big you want it. If you want a background image, with that in mind, if you want to add images, just click on it, and here you got your image. Click on there, and you can come in, upload whatever image, logos, whatever you want to use. You just click upload, then open up your files. Then it will put it up onto here, and then just add image, and you're done. Okay, and then you just click out of it. When you're ready, hit save, and that's it. That page is then ready. You can exit, and at the top here, in this funnel step settings, you'll see this one's based on my username, so it just creates that. Which, if you look there, it's gone onto the squeeze page, but get off. There you go. So it opens up there. So that's it. If you want to add more steps in, down here you've got delete funnel step or clone funnel step. So if you press on clone, add to funnel, and you've now got another step there. Come in and you can change this, rename it, do whatever you want to it. You want to remove it, just highlight it and remove it. And that really is as simple as it is. If you're wanting to capture email addresses and stuff like that, then there's a couple more steps. If you watch a couple of my other videos, you'll see me in there doing those ones, like the 25-minute ones. However, if you want to find out how to build landing pages, how to build them fast, I would go no further than recommending ClickFunnels to you. It is so intuitive and so easy to use. But not only that, the community that is based around ClickFunnels is fantastic. It's got a really buzzing Facebook community that's there. You've got tons and tons and tons of training on the actual, when you join up here, you get access to Funnel Flicks training, so you have all this training you can watch. Depending when you join, there were some other freebie ones that they chucked out as well. So you got Secret Funnel Builder, and it's just tons. It's brilliant, and this takes care of everything. So if you've got ClickFunnels, you might be thinking, oh no, well I'm gonna have to get a website. No, this covers your hosting, it covers everything. This is really all you need, apart from purchasing a domain name, which you need to stick on if you decide to go for a unique domain name. This will deal with everything that you need to set up and be running landing pages fast. Okay, so that was a very, very quick whistle-stop tour of ClickFunnels, and it literally takes minutes to do. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch, just comment or send me a message and I'll be here to help you. Okay, thanks very much.